I'm Kristen Egler, Product Manager at Federal Signal, and today I'll be showing you how to replace or install a universal lift flap on a Federal Signal call point. First, loosen the set screw under the tool reset knob using a hex key. Remove the knob. Loosen the two Phillips screws located on both sides of the faceplate. Remove the faceplate. Then take your lift flap, line up the pins behind the faceplate. Then you place the faceplate back on the housing. Tighten the two screws. And then replace the tool reset knob. And that's all you have to do to replace or install a universal lift flap on a Federal Signal call point.